Okay, so hey guys, I just wanted to come chat with you really quick about my protective style. So I got some Marley twists done fairly recently, and I just wanted to, come have a quick chat about it. So I got some medium sized twists, and I did not do these myself. I have not gotten that far in my journey to where I'm patient enough to do it myself, so I rather just pay people. So that's what I did. As you can see, like they're not super tight. Like for whatever reason, we feel like we have to get styles like so tight for it to be neat, and you don't. So these are not. They're very neat. I still have my edges, so edge friendly, protective style, and they're you can tell they're not tight because I've already been able to put them up, and my skin's not like puffed up and strained and all that craziness. And so I just really love protective styles, especially in the winter, because for whatever reason I just get so lazy during the winter time. And so I just find protective styles easier for me to keep my hair moisturized because my hair definitely gets really dry. And I also have a lot of buildup, so I don't like to put a lot of product on my hair, but it's important that you still keep your hair moisturized. Like your hair is still here, so you do have to keep it moisturized. And I don't keep, when I get styles like this, I don't keep them up for more than 8 weeks. But this is the product that I like to use when my hair is in protective style. So it's twists, braids, faux locks, whatever it is. Like I like to use this to put on my scalp, and then I just put a little bit in my hand and kind of just massage my scalp and just go through each section. And then I also like these because they're quick and easy to style. If you get on Pinterest, like it's so many different things that you can do, but I just did this quick little style today for my headshots. But I can show you exactly what I did, so I just take it down really quick so you can see. And I still haven't gotten used to recording myself, so if I'm looking off, it's just honestly because I don't know where to look. So yeah. Okay, so take this down too, so you can see. Okay, so I just kind of pulled out some hair. You can pull out more. It just depends on how big you want this little, I guess, roll to be, twist to be. So I just kind of pull some out, and the rest I put in a ponytail. So all you do is, it's like real quick and simple. Just twist. And then just take a hair tie. Go ahead and double it. And that's that part. And I just kind of roll it around. So if you want to like further down, you can do it like this. I don't like for my hair to sit on my face, so I pull mine up a little more. Take a bobby pin and just kind of pin it in place. Alright. So then I take for the bun. Kind of spread that out, and And then this is kind of loose. So just like a loose headband, or if you have a tight one, whatever. Headband. And take it around. Pull it. Just kind of hold it in place. And there you go. I'm not really concerned if it's like perfect, but again, simple, cute hairstyle. And so I would love if you would share in the comments like what type of protective styles you like for the winter. This is probably definitely one of my favorites. I like braids as well, but this is probably one of my favorites because the hair is so light, and I have a lot of hair, but it's light. I can put it up, simple to style, and then takedown process. Twists are just a lot quicker to take down than braids. So just don't forget to subscribe. Leave in the comments what type of protective styles that you like to wear and what products do you use while you're protective styling. And I will see you next time.